Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing with you some surprising things about signing with a modeling agency. Hey guys, Allie here with NGM Modeling, and one of the things that surprises the models is that they're not our only model, that we represent lots of different models, so don't expect like you're not the only child. There's several of you that we're working with, and we're trying to spread ourselves out to work with all of the models evenly and equally. So that is one of the surprises. The next one is that we are going to be very honest with you. It's better for you and for your career if we give you that constructive criticism. So be prepared to accept that feedback and to be able to make some changes and do the things that are being asked, and be able to adjust to the constructive criticism that you're receiving from your agency. The next one is that you should be prepared to hustle still for jobs on your own, even if you have an agency. A lot of times models say, well, I'm signed with your agency, I'm just gonna sit back and you're just gonna bring this, giant amount of jobs for me. But the reality is, like I said, we have lots of, modeling agencies have lots of different models with them, and you need to also be doing your part and bringing some jobs to the table as well, because that's actually going to help you not just to get practice for negotiating and working for yourself, but also going to help you to get more jobs and to get some great practice as well. And then the very last thing is that most modeling agencies, most of us get 10% of your pay. So the project manager will pay the agency, and then the agency in turn turns around and pays you, and we take our 10% in that middle process. So just keep those things in mind, guys. These are things that are surprising and that most people don't know or understand when they first sign with an agency. Hope these tips helped you guys out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Like this video and leave me a comment down below if you signed recently with an agency and if you've experienced any of these. I'll talk to you soon.